Question 25. Calculate the size of angle theta, or theta, whatever, that's it there. We're looking for this angle. And how are we going to do that? Well, this is a right angle triangle. So immediately sine, cos and tan should be coming into your thinking. This is 90 degrees here. This side is the opposite side. That's the opposite side to theta. And this here that we know, this side here is the adjacent. The long one opposite the right angle is always called the hypotenuse. So sine, cos and tan, one of them we're going to use, I think. Sine theta equals sailing over heaven, opposite over hypotenuse. We're not interested in hypotenuse, so that one's not going to work. Cosine theta carrying a harp adjacent over hypotenuse. Again, it works with hypotenuse. I'm not interested. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, two old angels, right? Opposite is 7.8 and adjacent is 34.3. So we know these two guys here. So tan theta equals 7.8 divided by 34.3. So we just want theta, we don't want tan theta. So to get theta, we're going to inverse. So we go theta equals tan inverse of that fraction, 7.8 over 34.3. Bang all that into the calculator there. So go for your tan inverse function, using the shift key probably to call it up, and then use your fraction key and put in 7.8 on top and 34.3 below. Close your bracket, press equals, and I got 12.811. So to two decimal places, 12.81, and we're dealing in degrees because it's an angle. And that's it. Job done.